Guess what? Today I am going to attempt to make Bun Bo Hue for my wife's family. Yes, I've been trying to make that dish a couple of times and I'm getting better. But today I'm going to attempt to share that with the whole family. So I'm at the store right now. What I got is some oxtail, beef shank, and beef shank. And then I got some vegetable that goes with it, like bean sprout, banana flour. Well, and the main things I got is Bun Bo Hue. This might be cheating, but this is all I can do, y'all. The first time I attempt to make Bun Bo Hue, horrible. After that, I was so afraid to make Bun Bo Hue. The thing about Bun Bo Hue is you have to buy the right noodle. It has to say Bun Bo Hue. You see out the noodle sticker? All right, guys, let's cook Bun Bo Hue with me. If you look at Bun Bo Hue, they have a lot of ingredients like pig feet and also blood jelly. I only eat those at the restaurant, but when I'm at home, I'm gonna keep it simple. These are the only protein I got. And the main thing is that lemongrass. Bun Bo Hue requires a lot of lemongrass. It brings out that nice lemongrass smell in the soup. Let's go, I'm talking too much. Beef shank, go in there. Beef shank, go in there. Oxtail, oxtail, and oxtail. The more lemongrass you use, the better it smells. After you cut the ends and the top, this is how the lemongrass looks like. It smells great. Mash it so that the juice of the lemongrass will just come out and give it that the aroma. We're gonna bend it. There it is. Get a rubber band. I'm gonna tie this really good. See this? Goes in there. This is how it looks like for now. Once the meat is cooked, you're gonna see all the nasty stuff coming up from the soup. We're gonna scoop that out and throw it away. So during this time, the main thing is really cooking the meat, the protein, making sure it's super tender. So it's gonna take at least a couple hours. So what I usually do is I'm gonna go start cleaning, doing other chores, and then every 30 minutes I just come in. But what we're gonna do is once we clean up all the nasty gunk in the soup, we're gonna pour this seasoning in to make that Bun Bo Hue flavor. And what I'm gonna do is I don't use MSG, so I have the mushroom powder to replace that. So that's what I'm gonna use. Other than that, guys, this dish, the main thing is just getting the flavoring down. There's water in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the noodle and soak them in here for at least an hour until it gets kind of soft, and then we can start cooking it. Look how big this noodle looks. Yep. This is what I'm talking about right here, y'all. All right, so it has been around 2.5 hours, and look at our soup. Very nice and red, exactly the color we want. Fire! Made it special.
Yeah. You want some gas? You want some gas? Ngon không?
But the thing is, I'm not hungry because I ate already.
Oh, you're not eating?
No.
Want water?
Everybody's
Oh, that's
enjoying
pretty
it.
spicy, babe.